Hi, in this video we are going to look at a sample question released by the SOA. Subject is STAM. It's question number 318. It's available on the SOA website. Please look it up. And the question is here. You are given the following information in the form of a table. Here we have accident years, earned premium, the expected loss ratios for the individual accident years, and then we have our cumulative loss payments through development months 12 through 48. And you're told in this question that there's no development past 48 months. Okay, that's good. What are we asked to do? We're asked to calculate the indicated loss reserve using the Bonhetta-Ferguson method. Okay, I'm going to call it the BF method. And we're using the volume. We are told to use the volume-weighted average loss development factors. Okay, so let me circle that. Volume-weighted average loss development factors, also known as link ratios. So what are we going to do in this problem? Basically, we are going to work out the loss reserve using the BF method. Okay, great. So first off, when we use the BF method, we need to have our link ratios, or also known as loss development factors. So I've gone ahead and worked that for you. Remember, we are told to use the volume weighted method, so it's not hard to do. First off, the link ratios, and I'm using the notation that is used in our reading material. F1, the link ratio that develops from year 0 to year 1. Okay, so we are looking at the sum of these numbers divided by the sum of these numbers. Okay, because we are using the volume weighted average. Take 9700 plus 100,300 and so on. You add these numbers up and divide by the sum of these numbers. I've done it here for you. Okay, I didn't write down all the zeros. Okay, I've just taken here 97 plus 103. You can do that yourself. So the development factor, as you go from development period 0 to development period 1, is the factor you work out will be 2. And then we work out the next link ratio, which is F2. We are going from development period 1 to development period 2. So you take these two numbers here, add it up, and divide by these two numbers, add it up. Yeah. So it's 14,100 plus 14,900 divided by 9,700 plus 10,300. And that's what you see here. You will get 1.45. And work out F3, okay, the link ratio as we go from development year 2 to development year 3. Just take this number here, divided by 14100, and you'll get 1.1489. Okay, that will be the first step in dealing with this problem. The next step will be to work out the reserves. So the good thing is, accident year 5, we don't have to worry about it. Okay, because we are told there's no development past 48 months, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so let's move this up a little bit. Okay, great. So that's what I've written here, right? Accident year 5 we can ignore because it's fully developed. Then for accident years 6, 7, and 8, that we have to do. Remember the Bonhetta-Ferguson method. We have very quickly, we have our ultimate losses. We get it by multiplying the earned premium times your loss ratio. Yeah, so you have your earned premium multiplied by your loss ratio. That will give me your ultimate losses. And then for your reserve, okay, Bonhetta-Ferguson, we'll take the ultimate losses and we multiply by the percentage unreported. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's what you see here. For accident year 6, this will be your earned premium. Let me keep an eye on the numbers. Your earned premium is 20,000 multiplied by your loss ratio, like what I've written here. Okay, 0.85, and then you multiply by your percentage unreported. This one here, we learn it as 1 minus 1 over F ultimate, yeah? 1 minus 1 over F ultimate. That's what you see here, okay? So that's for accident year 6. Do the same for accident year 7. So when you work this out for accident year 6, plug these numbers into your calculator, you'll get 2203. So let's move on to accident year 7. Same thing. Earned premium 21,000 times your loss ratio multiplied by your percentage unreported. That will be 1 minus 1 over F ultimate. Now be careful. We have you have to multiply 1.45 by 1.14189 to get your F ultimate for accident year 7. And when you use your calculator, you'll get 7639. For accident year 8, the only thing that changes will be your F ultimate in the denominator here, where you have to multiply 2 by 1.45 and then multiply by 1.1489. Use your calculator and you will get 13549. So all that's left to do is just add these up and you'll get your final answer, 23391. So the closest answer will be B. And we are done.